Welcome to Reston Hypnosis. My name is Elizabeth Howard and I am a nationally certified hypnotist. In this video, we will be discussing what is hypnosis. So let's get started. So what is hypnosis? Hypnosis is a natural state of mind. It is a normal, everyday occurrence that everyone goes through all by themselves. Hypnosis is a heightened state of awareness. It's like we get into something and we're hyper focused on it and everything just zones out around us, like feelings, people talking to us, sounds, everything. And so what are some examples of hypnosis? There is daydreaming, there is meditation or yoga. You may have driven somewhere and you were thinking about what you were going to have for dinner, or maybe something that happened at work, and you miss your exit because you were so focused on it, but you were still able to drive and to get there safely. Some other examples of hypnosis are when you are reading a book or watching TV and you're just really focused on what you're reading, or it's your favorite show on TV and somebody walks into the room and asks you how you were doing and you don't even notice them or you hear them. And these are normal everyday occurrences that happen all the time. These are examples of hypnosis, and I'm sure you can think of some more opportunities and times where you have been under that heightened state of awareness or hypnosis. And that could be like when you're playing an instrument, or you're dancing, or doing some other type of activity where you're just really in the moment. So during this type of activity, in this heightened state of awareness, we can make changes in our life. We can change our habits, our behaviors, and our beliefs. And hypnosis can really change your life. I want to thank you for watching this video and for taking charge of your life. For more information and to receive your free consultation, please contact me at 703-999-8097. You can also find more information about hypnosis, statistics, and how it works, as well as videos, at my website, www.restonhypnosis.com. I look forward to your success and hearing from you soon. Have a great day.